Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Security or Privacy. This is where Lock Screen controls live. Once you tap Security, find Screen Lock, Lock Screen Preferences, or Biometrics and Password depending on your Realme UI version. Make sure you have your current PIN, pattern, or password handy because the phone will request it to change or remove the lock. This step prevents accidental lock changes and verifies it's you. So enter credentials only when prompted, and once inside Screen Lock, choose the option that lets you remove security, often labeled None or Swipe. Some Realme builds put this under Lock Screen Preferences. Tap the desired method to disable, and the system will immediately prompt for your current PIN or password to confirm. Enter your credentials, then accept the confirmation dialog. Make sure to read any warning about losing secure features like app locks or payment protections. If you agree, confirm, and the lock screen will be turned off for normal unlocking. After confirmation, lock the phone and wake it to verify the lock screen is gone. You should go straight to the home screen or swipe without PIN. If you cannot select None, check for active device administrators or Find My Device settings. These can block removal. Go to Settings, Security Device Admin Apps, and disable any that prevent changes. Also turn off third-party app locks. Once those are cleared, repeat the removal steps. If problems persist, restart the phone and try again, or update system software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.